Coming back to our series on down to earth that we had started previously, in this session we'll focus on some of the major contributions which include the fire shift in the Himalayan region. Now, this is one of the very important things that we need to address. The fire instances have increased 4 times in last 10 years, and the most peak years are seen during the El Nino period. The Himalayas are warming faster than the rest of the India. The fire season is extending till mid of June. That is again a huge time period. Oaks are now being replaced by pines, and there is deposition of black carbon on Gangotri Glacier and other glaciers. As a result, the GLOF happens, that is the glacial lake outburst flood, and there is huge amount of melting of the glacier, which is creating unsustainability in the low-lying areas, and hence the major projects that have been released in those areas have been affected. The next is higher amount of pesticides. Now, the four nations, India, Brazil, China and US, lead in terms of global toxicity in pesticides being consumed. Most of them are consumed in the form of rice, cotton and sugar cane, and we do have the pesticide bill and biodiversity acts which are not into real action, we could say. Only Chile is one of the nations that is in track for the 2030 goals. We have seen 20 pesticides which have created 90% more burden on the society, and neonicotinoids are the highest ones with pollinator toxicides that are present. The next is the Sariska water crisis. Now, the Sariska sanctuary area, the villages there, mainly the Rekamal village is one where there are more than 600 Gujjar residents, and all of them are facing acute water crisis. There are only the only water source is the Johards, the 10 Johards, the naturally sustained water areas. However, all of them are contaminated, and people have to make a trip around on a daily basis. Around 6 to 8 trips are being done, and 4 hours daily goes into just collecting useful water and potable water for home. There are no roads, no power, no toilets, no schools, and this is the real condition of Rekamala village in Sariska. The next important topic that we would discuss is the Anil Agarwal Dialogue 2026. Now, 6 of the 9 planetary boundaries have been breached, which includes the drying of the Himalayas, the wetting of the western parts of India, higher amount of air pollution in 64% of the 742 districts of India, invasive species growing in Western Ghats, and no poverty line, no agri jobs which are seen, and the youth reverse migration, which is a big concern. Also, judiciary has said that bad environment can never be good for economies. However, there are no actions that are being taken, and compensatory afforestation has just become a joke. So those are some of the important ideas that have been discussed. The detailed summary of Down to Earth would be available at Exam Race Current Affairs section, so follow that. And for your UPSC PYQs, for your optional as well as GS, please follow the link below. Thanks for joining.